Hello, I'm Taylor.
And I'm Jess. We are current psychology interns at the Orlando VA.
We're so excited you all are interested in the APA accredited Orlando VA internship program and want to share a little bit about the site and program with you.
The Orlando VA is part of the Department of Veterans Affairs, which is the nation's largest healthcare system, which provides healthcare to the nation's military veterans. It serves over 9 million veterans each year throughout the 151 VA hospitals and clinics.
The Orlando VA was established in 2006 and has grown to be the fourth largest hospital within the VA. It serves over 114,000 veterans each year throughout the Orlando and Central Florida region. In mental health alone, we see over 34,000 veterans each year. The Orlando VA's primary hospital at Lake Nona is one of the newest VA hospitals in the nation, opening around 2015. Other facilities include the Lake Baldwin Outpatient Clinic near downtown Orlando, 2 other outpatient clinics at Daytona Beach and Viera, and 5 smaller community-based outpatient clinics throughout Central Florida.
Within the mental health service, we have over 100 psychologists with a wide range of clinical expertise. The diversity of our community population is reflected within our staff. For example, there are a number of psychologists who are able to provide mental health services in both English and Spanish, which is great given the large Spanish-speaking population in Orlando.
It's also important to note that within the Orlando VA, psychologists are viewed as valued members of the medical staff. We're integrated into almost every area of the hospital and provide a wide range of services in both mental health and medical clinics. From the mental health perspective, we offer services in outpatient, inpatient, and residential settings. Psychologists are also integrated into a variety of medical settings, such as primary care teams, and provide specialty medical evaluations and treatment, such as transplant evaluations, health behavior interventions, and psychiatric evaluations within medical units. Psychologists even hold a variety of leadership and administration positions throughout the hospital. You could say we're kind of a big deal around here. Now let's get into the good stuff, the internship program.
Definitely. The Orlando VA internship is a generalist predoctoral internship program that follows the scholar practitioner model of training across a wide range of clinical rotations, experiences offered through the internship year.
One of the available rotations is in the Behavioral Health Integrated Program, or BHIP, which is the Behavioral Health Outpatient Clinic. Each BHIP team is made up of psychiatrists, psychologists, social workers, nurses, and mental health counselors.
BHIP is basically the home base, and each veteran is assigned a BHIP team.
Exactly. While on the BHIP rotation, interns are an integral part of the interdisciplinary team and experience a wide range of clinical diagnoses and treatment approaches. At times, patients from the BHIP teams will be referred out to various specialty clinics for additional focused care.
And it's on those specialty services that interns can learn more focused interventions or work with more specific diagnoses.
Right. For example, the TRUST team is the PTSD treatment clinic. It provides short-term evidence-based treatment for PTSD, including cognitive processing therapy and prolonged exposure. While on the PTSD rotation, interns gain experience treating a variety of traumas, including combat, military sexual trauma, and non-military traumas like adverse childhood events. As a side note, TRUST was my personal favorite rotation because it was so rewarding to see patients I was working with make such treatment progress in a short amount of time.
Another popular rotation for interns is the Mental Health Residential Rehabilitation Treatment, or DOM. The Orlando VA has 2 DOMs, which are residential treatment programs servicing veterans with multiple and severe medical conditions, psychological disorders, addiction, and/or psychosocial challenges. The residential component is really exciting to work in because it emphasizes a therapeutic community that incorporates clinical treatment into the veteran's lifestyle and self-care and personal responsibility. While on a DOM rotation, interns experience an engaging residential environment and receive a lot of great clinical experiences with groups as well as one-on-one.
If you're interested in treatment of addiction, the Substance Use Disorder Intensive Outpatient Program is a great option because interns gain experiences with assessment and treating mild to severe substance use disorders. While in the rotation, interns engage in both group and individual psychotherapy as well as work closely with the other interdisciplinary team members.
If you're more interested in a fast-paced, exciting experience in health psychology, then Primary Care Mental Health Integration, or PCMHI, may be a great fit for you. Here, psychologists are integrated into the VA's primary care medical teams. While on rotation, interns work alongside primary care physicians and nurses to provide brief functional assessments and interventions focused on both medical and mental health conditions.
In addition to the major rotations, interns have the option of completing minor experiences in areas like hospital administration or specialized psychological evaluations or interventions too. And these are just a few of the awesome opportunities available. You can check out the internships brochure for an updated and comprehensive list of available rotations and minor experiences.
We've touched on this a bit already, but one of the great things about the Orlando VA's internship program is that interns are an integral part of their rotation's interdisciplinary team. As part of the team, interns attend regular team meetings and huddles where they frequently provide patient updates, assessment results, and consultation to other providers. Frequently, interns are providing feedback and consultation with a wide range of other professionals, including psychiatrists, social workers, case managers, nurses, pharmacists, primary care physicians, occupational and physical therapists, basically everyone in the hospital.
Speaking of interacting with other professions, we have regular interdisciplinary didactics where we receive training alongside other mental health trainees like psychiatry residents. Didactics cover a wide range of topic areas, including evidence-based practices, assessment, diagnostics, ethics, and professional development. Special attention is given to issues related to diverse populations and multicultural factors. There are also weekly seminars covering new and relevant research, as well as case conceptualization skills. Interns additionally receive specific training on how to provide supervision, which consists of training in competency-based supervision skills. This training also has an experiential component where we provide tiered supervision to graduate level practicum students for part of the year.
Your experiences on internship extend beyond your training and time at the hospital. Orlando and Central Florida have so much to offer in terms of quality of life. Let's talk about some of the things this area can offer during your internship year.
First, Orlando is huge. Within Orlando, there are 115 unique neighborhoods and districts, each with their own personality and flavor. For example, the area just outside the main VA hospital in Lake Nona is known as Medical City because of the numerous hospitals, medical research facilities, and the UCF Medical School. Many of the VA staff and trainees choose to live in this area because it's close to the main VA hospital, but also because it's a developing area and new restaurants and businesses are popping up all the time. Boxy Park is a personal favorite of mine. It's an outdoor event venue with various permanent food trucks and live music on the weekends. Lake Nona is also close to the Orlando International Airport, which is really convenient for travel.
Prior to the main hospital at Lake Nona being built, Lake Baldwin was the main facility for the Orlando VA. It's a newly renovated, large outpatient clinic and the other main site for the internship program. It's located in Baldwin Park, which is closer to downtown Orlando. And Baldwin Park itself is a trendy area for young professionals, complete with great restaurants, running trails around the lake, and what I believe is a 5-star dog park. And the happiest place in Orlando.
Yes. Orlando is a great place to live and has a lot to offer outside of the internship. Obviously, Orlando is known for its amusement parks, such as Disney World, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld. Along with the parks, there are many other attractions, such as the Orlando Eye, which is a giant Ferris wheel, internationally known shopping outlets, convention centers, farmers markets, and more. Orlando is also home to the Orlando Magic basketball team and the Orlando City soccer clubs. If sports isn't your thing, we also have a rich performing arts culture, including a professional ballet company, a Philharmonic orchestra, museums, concert venues, and for theater, the new Dr. Phillips Center for Performing Arts.
And just outside Orlando, there's so much more to explore. You can unwind at the various beaches and check out nearby coastal towns such as Daytona Beach. You can also watch a rocket launch from Kennedy Space Center, or you can explore the numerous natural springs where you can kayak, paddleboard, check out all the wildlife, and maybe even swim with the manatees.
But don't try to ride them.
Right, don't try to ride them. All in all, Orlando is a wonderful place to live and has something to offer for everyone. Now, before we leave you, we want to share that the experience both within the internship and life outside has been invaluable, and we would not trade it for the world. As Taylor and I go on to the next steps in our careers, we feel the internship at the Orlando VA has been instrumental in preparing us for our futures as psychologists. Many of the interns found working within the VA system to be very rewarding and have chosen to stay within the VA for their careers. Broadly speaking, the generalist training has set interns up for careers in all settings, including clinical work, research within a wide range of specialties. Past interns have gone on to work in specialty areas such as trauma, substance abuse, health psychology, and general mental health. Overall, the Orlando VA internship genuinely offers something for everyone. And it doesn't hurt to live in a place where there are a million fun and unique things to do outside of internship.
Having been through the internship process ourselves, we recognize the importance of finding an internship that's a good fit for you, both professionally and personally. We believe the Orlando VA internship is a great fit for those looking for a generalist training, especially if you're considering the possibility of a career serving veterans. As we leave you, we wish you all the very best in the match process and cannot wait to work as colleagues in the future.